Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, our background is back, so we are back to Lagos. Our holiday is over and we are back to reality. This is going to be a chill weekend vlog. I'm prepping to resume work, so I want to take you guys through my weekend prep. I'll be doing one or two. Once it come out. So as I was saying, I'll be taking you guys through my weekend meal prep. When I woke up this morning, I prepared stew. Like very early in the morning, I prepared stew. I have other things to do. Like I already soaked corn. I want to make pap because my baby boy will soon start taking that. I'll be making the pap like from scratch. I've already soaked my corn and all of that for some days now. And what else will I be doing? I should be having some market runs too in this vlog and preparing soups. So sit right back and let's go through today's vlog together. And you're welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're seeing this lovely face for the first time, my name is Wena. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. My videos are centered more on motherhood and lifestyle and cooking here and there. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please stick back and watch. Don't forget to subscribe. And while you watch, please give this video a thumbs up, like, and share your comments, your thoughts on today's video. So let's go right into the video. You want Cocoa Pops? Okay, I'm coming. Cocoa Pops. So here is the corn. I soaked 2 buckets. Well, this is a paint of yellow corn, millet, and guinea corn. They call it dawa. So I've soaked this for 6 days. I decided to soak it longer so that the corn is very soft. The last time I made pap, the lady that was grinding it said it was still very strong. So I decided to soak this for longer. Okay, so here we have yellow corn, millets, and guinea corn. So everything literally. Bag. I always tie it here, so I'll be using this to sieve the pap. Let me show you how it is. This is what I usually use to make my pap. I usually keep it on this ziplock whenever I'm done. I wash it and store here. So I'll be using this. This is how it is. It's a bag. You buy it in the market. Just tell them you want what to use for sieving pap. So I just want to sieve the pap. I'll show you the method I use. That's very fast. I'll sieve the pap with this. Then when I'm done, the sieved pap, I'll pour it inside here and tie it overnight. This is how to do that. One is more like a cloth, so it can drain. So this is what I'm going to be using to make this pap now. So how you know that your pap, what is left of it now is chaff? How you know it's just chaff that is here? First of all, see the quantity. This is the quantity of pap chaff that is left inside. How you know that it's chaff and you finish removing your pap is when you squeeze it. The water is, I see, it's more of, the water is clear. This is the pap. This is the pap. I want to separate it. Usually I tie it with bigger wraps, but now I want to make it like small, so that if I just pick up one, I'll know that.
Jenis. Nak kare meni so ba na suka boy ta. Ragwis.